What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to go over this HAZA trail camera. Unfortunately, I actually did the unboxing and I did a review on this, but my SIM card has a corruption issue. Alright, so anyways, my old SIM card got corrupted, and now we are here again. So I am just going to go over this as quick as possible for y'all. I don't feel like doing too much editing. So this is the box right here, came out of this box, and this is the product right here. So you have I believe 120-degree angle of recording, and you have your little sensor part right there. Of course, everybody know that should be the sensor. And then you have your camera up here. Now you have this back part with arches on it in case you want to put it on the tree. You can see the arch right there. You can see the arch right there. So you can strap this on the tree, and yes, it comes with a strap. What's a trail camera without putting it on a tree, right? Everybody don't have a tripod, and yes, this does fit on a tripod. All right, so here goes your strap, and you can strap it up to a tree if you need to. And what else you need to know about the outside? And of course, right here you have a little lock box. If you want to lock it up, you can, in case somebody try to go into your trail camera. So this is how you open it, and of course I already used it. Now with this trail camera, when I installed 4 batteries on the top, the camera was working. So I don't know if you can just operate this with just 4 batteries, or will it last longer with all 8 batteries attached. So I just put all 8 batteries in just to get it over with. What else? Alright, so right here you have all your functions, and I'm going to do that on the overhead with y'all right now. Right here we on the menu screen, and the first thing that pops up is mode. So we're going to click mode. Now in mode you can do photo, you can do video, or you could do photo and video. We are going to put it on video. You could do photo pixels. You click it, you can go all the way from, you got 9 megapixels all the way to 58. Alright. And then you hit menu to go back. You got continuous shooting, and you have 1 photo, 2 photos, 3, 4, 5, and then that's it. You got video length, so when something comes on your video, or when something goes through the sensor, you can do how many seconds you want to record for. So right here we have 1 minute. Alright. Video resolution. So this is what we was talking about. I have it on 1080p. The reason why I have it on 1080p is just memory for, they only give you 32 gigs. So 4K, you probably won't even get that much action with 4K. But I said 4K, sorry, with 2.7K at 30 frames per second, 2K at 30 frames per second, 1080 at 30 frames per second. So I will test out the 2K, the 2.7K, just to see if there's a difference on that. Alright, menu. We got the PIR sensitivity. I believe that's the sensor sensitivity, but I will look at the book just to double check on that for y'all. Menu. Alright, PIR interval. Alright, you get 10, and I believe this is seconds. Alright, once again, I will post up for y'all. You have timer, then you have time lapse, auto power off, language, date and time, say data, record audio, I have that on. Device sound, I turned that off because that sound is annoying. You have timestamp, so if you want timestamp on your videos, just to know what time, what day it was, blah blah blah. Then you could put timestamp off. I meant on, so I leave mine off. Format. When you format your card, just know that it will erase all of your data that's on the card. So I want to reformat because some of the recordings I was doing, it's weird. Some recordings went through, and then some say my QuickTime player can't play it or something like that. So I am going to do format. I never formatted the card when I first used it. So let's see what happens this time. We have default settings. If you want everything to go back to original, and you have your version that you're using, and then that's it. All right. Now we have it on video mode. If you want to use this, you have to turn it on. Put it in the on position. It will do like a 5-second countdown, and then it will cut. And then it will come on. So I'm gonna do it real quick for y'all. You have to put it on. And then that's it. And then it's on. All right. Now, when you go here, if you don't want it on the sensor one, let me see. All right, you guys. Now, I don't know how to keep it on. Like, if you want this thing to like stay on recording mode like the whole time, I don't know how to do that. All I know is when you turn it on, it does the countdown. See, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then it goes into its recording mode. And I don't know how you keep it on, like if you want to continuously record. The reason why I have this is so that I like, you know, I have my GoPro if I want to continuously record. So in this situation, I like this because the only thing really recording is whatever walks in front of this device. And that's what I love. I wish GoPro had that type of mode. That would be awesome. What's going on, everybody? Now we are at the final sit down when it comes to this motion sensor camera, and I want to say that the pictures are pretty decent and the video is pretty decent. Now I don't know if I did the 2.7K, but I know I did 1080p. The next ones I will do will be 2.7K, so subscribe to that if y'all want to see more of that. I will start getting my Instagram active and start getting my my TikTok more active when it comes to my product reviews, and my YouTube shorts I will start getting active with that, so y'all can see these in little quick videos of, you know, 10.80 or 2.7K, 4K, blah 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 blah. But anyways, I will also post up photos and, you know, the usual while I'm talking. But other than that, I just want to say that this is simple, easy. If you're not into apps, or if you're tired of using smart devices, having to need internet connection, blah 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 blah, having to use your phone and all of that stuff is gone. You can get rid of your phone, you can get rid of all that. Only thing you will need is your computer, obviously. You probably don't even need that. If you want to play back, you could play back on this. So pretty much you do not need any electronics with this product. All right, you can just plug and play. That's it. And you don't even have to plug because it has batteries, right? All right, so with that being said, you got your 8 batteries, and it does work with 4 batteries, surprisingly. I had this out for a couple of days now, and I'm ready to put it on setup. Once you put it on setup, it comes on. So you have to put this bottom part right here on setup, and y'all can see me, and the picture quality looks pretty clear to me. And that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. I have a lot going on, you guys, so I'll try to get back to y'all as soon as possible. And yeah, subscribe and stay tuned for more product reviews, and that will be all. Later.